Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have IPSY versus IPSY, Glam Bag versus Glam Bag. This is for February. Do you want to see what's inside my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my February glam bags just arrived. My plus box traveled with them the exact days, exact times until today. She got left behind apparently. So I'll probably get her tomorrow or the next day, one of the two. But these two both arrived today. One of these is off of my main profile that my plus box is on as well. And this should be tailored to my own specifications on my profile, which I tell you guys now, I don't think they're even paying attention to, but that's my own opinion. And then this one right here is my, what I call my side chick. She actually is open to anything and everything because I save the bag for you guys, and any products in there that's not in my comfort zone, I save for you guys. So it's a win-win either way. So let's go ahead and get into my main profile and then we'll check out my side chick. So this is the bag that it comes in, and let's see for Valentine's Day theme what they came up with their bags. Ooh, it's soft. I feel my ring stuck. Hold on. All right, so it is like a soft, velvety kind of like feel to the bag. Let me cut that off. I don't want to pull that out. All right, so again, it's very soft and like a velvety type of a feel. And then it has the IPSY on the zipper right there. And it's kind of like a lavenderish color. I thought they were gonna totally do something really cute with like hearts or something. But this is kind of cool because then it's not just holiday specific. You can use it for any time. And then I do have a product that's on the outside. What's on the outside is Beauty Infused 24 karat gold glow sheet mask. And it looks like there's only one in here. Let's see. Nope, there's two. So there's two of them in there, and that's what that looks like right there. And there's the back. So let's go ahead and dump out these products and see what else we get. And I'm gonna be completely honest, when I saw what we can choose from this month, I was like, really? I just wasn't enthused with my plus or my glam bag. But here's the inside. It's like a nice little magenta color. And then there's the IPSY logo right there. I don't know, the IPSY is just not wowing me anymore lately. And that's shocking because I used to love and rave about my IPSY. So this right here is the Sam. I get this a lot, this brand a lot in my Beauteque monthly. And this is perfumed hand essence magnolia. So this is a magnolia scented. There is a safety seal hand lotion. So it's a regular lotion. It has a nice slight florally scent, nothing too strong. It's a very faint, clean florally scent. And it feels nice to the touch. So, and this is like a perfect drop in your purse or your gym bag or anything like that. You can even take this anywhere, put in your car. It's travel friendly. Let's say that. Okay, so then the next item, which I think this is the one that I actually chose because I, again, was having trouble finding something. It Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base All Day Grip Technology. So there's that guy. Then we have is Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. Now the full size of this, which I don't know if this is considered the full size, but the full size of this, oh, it says full size, valued at $28. Then this right here is a full size because that's the size, and this is $3.99. And this right here says deluxe sample. The full size would be $39. So this is actually full size, and this is valued at $28. So it's definitely way more than this entire box or bag. And let's see, cute little packaging, black and pink writing. And there's that. I have so many highlighters, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this back in the box and save it for one of you guys. So there's that. And then we have City Limits. This is like a single shadow from the City Limits palette, and I have the entire palette, and I have another new one backup waiting for the new one that I just started using. So this I'll put in a future giveaway. This is in color Headliner, and the color is right there. So I'll go ahead and set this aside because again, I don't need a single when I have the entire palette. And that's one of my favorite palettes. If you guys follow me, you know. Your girl loves her City Limits IPSY palette. Okay, so that is everything that came in my main bag. Again, we got the 2 sheet masks, which I love sheet masks. We have the pressed highlighter. We have the IBY, which will go to one of you guys. And then we have the primer and then the hand lotion, which I like that. And then the bag. So that's everything for the first one. So let's go ahead and get into my side chick. So it'll be the same bag. So again, the bag will definitely go to one of you guys. And there is something on the outside. There's this brush. It says Moda, M-O-D-A Pro. It's a nice thick filling brush. The handle looks nice with all like the little, you see that detail? There's the head of it right there. So I'll probably set this aside for one of you guys as well because I'm stuck on using my few brushes that I use every day and I don't know what the other ones do. Let's go ahead and dump this out. Again, it is the same bag right here. And inside this one, we have the glow highlighter. I do have one of these. If it's the same color, I will put this in a future giveaway. If I don't have this color, then I will put it in my arsenal because I really like IBY, if you didn't already know. So there's the packaging, and let me get the card opened. This says it's a deluxe sample. The full size version of this product is $14. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Very pretty. But again, I have to see if I have this color. If I don't, then you will see this on a future giveaway. All right, and then now we have is Dr. Frog. Water, full charge, all-in-one. Easy care at once to avoid complicated skincare steps. All-in-one moisturizer. Okay, so it's an all-in-one moisturizer. There's the packaging. This says it's a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 130 ml for $18. And this is 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 ml. So 130 ml for $18 is the full size of this one. This brush is the full size, and this is valued at $7.99. Here is a Sex Kitten. Don't get too excited with just the word sex coming out. Sex Kitten by Tarte. That is just too cute. There's a little kitten on the top of it. And this is a liquid eyeliner. This is a deluxe sample. The full size version would be $20. So this is a deluxe sample, and I don't want to open it because I don't use liquid liners. So this will definitely go to one of you guys. And then the next thing in here is by Lip Fondant, Half Caked. And let me see, this is in Low Key. I think I might have this one. Hold on one second. Okay, you guys, so while I went to look for this, which this looks so familiar, I think I already got this and put this in a giveaway. So I'll open this to show you guys because I don't have it in my collection. But I did look for the highlighter. I don't have this particular highlighter. I have a different one. This one's in the color 24K Magic, and it looks so similar that I'll just go ahead and give this to one of you guys because I don't need two of almost the same color. You know what I mean? See, this one's slightly darker, but that's okay. I would rather share with you guys. So this one will definitely go to one of you. And then just so you can see how pigmented their highlighters are. Look at that. So that's the one that I have. And again, the other one is very similar in that color. So I'd rather just share with you guys. Now let's go ahead and open this so we can see what color this is. I already have lipstick on, but I can at least show you what the shade is and put it on my hand. So this is in the color Low Key, and this is a full size valued at $16. Again, here's the packaging. Very cute, fun packaging. And then that is what the inside looks like. Oh, holy moly. That looks like a, whoa, that is like an orangish. It kind of smells good. I was hoping it was gonna smell like cake. But it's like an orange red terracotta color. It's different, definitely different. So there's this in low key. So that is everything that we got in my side chick bag. So we have the lip, the highlighter, the all-in-one moisturizer, the little sex kitten, and the brush. So you guys, let me know which was your favorite bag, my main profile or my side chick. Which one did you like better? Do you get IPSY? Did you get any of the same items? Are we bag twins on either one of them? Comment down below, let me know what you got. If you got one, are you on the fence with getting them? IPSY is $12 a month with free shipping. They used to be $10 and they raised it to $12, which I still think is okay because you get free shipping, you get a bag every time, which they're good quality bags, and then you get 5 products to try out, mainly deluxe size, but you do get full size. Like for example, this is a full size. This ended up being a full size. This pressed highlighter ended up being a full size. And then everything else is pretty much a deluxe size sample. The sheet mask should be a full size, I would assume. But for $12, you get all of that, again, free shipping. So I like my IPSY Glam bag because of the price point. I like to be able to show you guys both of them, but my plus, I'm just kind of on the fence with what to do, especially now that I'm getting the new BoxyCharm Premium. So IPSY, I think, needs to step up their game a little bit. I don't know. What are you guys feeling? I just feel the last few months, they're falling shorter and shorter behind. That's just my own personal opinion. So that is everything. Again, let me know which one did you like better. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.